Hey, what's up, everyone? On this episode, I have a really special announcement. Oh yeah, and I'm going to read you a book. Before I get into the announcement, I just wanted to say that I am super excited to share with you what I've been doing over my break. I did take some time off of social media, but I was doing a little bit of work on this new project that I'm into. I got to meet some really cool people. I recently, last year, went to this really cool conference called Learning To, and the title of their conference was It's Personal. And I always kept that title in my mind because I love the idea of getting personal with people and figuring out their true stories. So what I'm going to be doing, just having conversations with like-minded people about their personal stories. And boy, do I have a lineup for you to listen to. I can't really share exactly everyone who I've already talked to, but I'm super excited for you to listen in on the conversations and just get to know some of these people a little bit more than what you see through social media or through books or on TV. That's kind of all I can kind of share. What's that? Sorry. I'll be right back. Alright, so I must say I was kind of waiting for a package because, again, people are just so nice. And I happened to speak to one of my new favorite authors and they decided to send me some books. It's crazy. Who am I? I'm just a teacher who wants to interview some cool people and they decided to send me some books. I'm honestly just like speechless and I'm just super thankful. Not just to him, but everyone who has just said yes and that I've spoken to and that I've already done this idea with. The main format will be a podcast and it will be about individuals who I am interested in that have influenced the educational world, influenced people in general. I think it really goes back to that identity piece. Like, what are some of the things that have influenced you to be who you are in life? And a lot of the guests that I've already talked to have really opened up and talked to me about some experiences that I had no idea. And I honestly truly believe that you will be surprised and excited. You will cry, you will laugh once you hear some of these stories from some of these amazing human beings. I am like so excited just to share with you. I honestly still can't believe that I got the opportunity to talk to some of these people. I am, again, just so excited. Here's just like a snippet of the podcast. Just listen.
It's about to get personal.
How did you get personal? Personal.
Just got personal.
Gary and I just got personal. It's personal.
My name is Derek Barnes.
It's gonna be so good. Alright, so I know you're waiting to find out what author sent me the books, so let's see what's inside. Alright, so here I am about to open up and see who the author is. So if you don't know, this author and illustrator goes by the name of Derek Barnes, and the illustrator is Gordon James. And this is by far one of my favorite books for 2018. It is absolutely beautiful. This is one of the newer versions because it has all of the awards that it has won on top of it. It is Crown, and it is absolutely amazing. I mean, the images inside of this book and the words are just phenomenal. Just like take a look at the pictures. It's just amazing. Crown, an ode to the fresh cut, by Derek Barnes, illustrated by Gordon C. James. When it's your turn in the chair, you stand at attention and forget about who you were when you walked through that door. You came in as a lump of clay, a blank canvas, a slab of marble. But when my man is done with you, they'll want to post you up in the museum. That's my word. He'll drape you like royalty with that cape to keep the fine hairs off your neck and your princely robes. It's amazing what a tight fade, high-low ball does for your confidence, Dark Caesar. Who knows, you might just smash that geography exam tomorrow and rearrange the entire principal's honor roll. A fresh cut does something to your brain, right? It hooks up your intellectual. You're a star, a brilliant blazing star, not the kind that you'll find on a sidewalk in Hollywood. Nope. They're going to have to wear shades when they look up to catch your shine. He'll lean you back in that chair, dab that cool shaving cream on your forehead, and then craft a flawless line with that razor. Slow, steady, surgical. It frames your swagger. That cute girl in class across the way won't be able to keep her pretty eyes off of you. Her friends will giggle and whisper, "Girl, he's so fine." Yeah, that's what they'll say. The whole school will be seasick from the rows and rows of ripples. You'll have more waves on your head than the Atlantic Ocean. Shout out to my do-rag and Patience. There's a dude to the left of you with a faux hawk. Deep parched skin fade, he looks presidential. Maybe he's the CEO of a tech company that manufactures cool. He's a boss. That's how important he looks. Dude to the right of you looks majestic. There are thousands of black angels waiting to guide and protect him as soon as he steps foot out that door. That's how important he looks. There's a dude standing in the mirror that can't get over the masterful designs crafted on the side of his dome. Everywhere he goes, people will ask for his autograph. He looks that fresh. He looks like he owns a few acres of land on Saturn. Maybe there's a river named after him on Mars. He looks that important. There are two dudes, one with locks, the other with cornrows, and a lady with butterscotch complexion. And all they want is a shape-up, tapered sides and trim. A crisp but subtle line. And sometimes in life, that's all you ever need. A crisp but subtle line. When your barber is done, you'll feel like $1,000,000 and some change. When his fingertips hit you with that apple green alcohol or that witch hazel, it'll sting, but not like a scorpion or a hornet, more like an electric stamp of approval. And when you see the cut yourself in the handheld mirror, you'll smile a really big smile. That's the you that you love the most. That's the you that wins everything. That's the gold medal you. Every person in the shop will raise their feet and give you a round of applause for being so fly. Not really, but they'll look like they want to. You'll see it in their eyes.
It's the look your English teacher gives you when she hands you your last test, with a bright red 97 slapped on it. It's how your mother looks at you before she calls you beautiful. Flowers are beautiful, sunrises are beautiful. Being viewed in your mother's eyes as someone that matters, now that's beautiful. And you'll take it, you don't mind at all. Finally, he'll remove your cape, then swipe you down with a brush made from a golden horsetail. You'll put the money in his hand without even expecting change back. Tip that man, tip that man. It was worth it. It always is. You know why? Because you'll leave out at the shop every single time feeling the exact same way. Magnificent, flawless, like royalty. Hello, world.
All right, so there you have it. Next week, possibly the week after, I'm looking to launch my official podcast called It's Personal, and I have some amazing people who have done some amazing things through education that have so graciously, for whatever reason, decided to chat with me for about 45 minutes to an hour. And I'm going to share those with you, and they are personal conversations with those individuals about life. If you want to get to know them a little bit better, they will be people that a lot of you do know. Some of them are personal interests. Some of them are authors that I grew up reading. Some of them are educational authors for teachers. There's just a lot of amazing people that I'm excited to share with you. I'm giddy right now. I'm super excited. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe. I always forget to say that because I am still very new to YouTube. But if you are interested in this content, you're interested in kind of following my journey, talking about education, lifestyle, travel, I don't know, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It would mean a lot to me. YouTube is my goal for this year. I'm gonna try to post at least twice a week. Sorry, that was a lot of rambling. Until next time, stay in the gray area. Peace.